Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description. If you are booking